Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Aya and I am super excited to share with you the new Daniel Smith watercolor for 2025. I know I say excited every time I share a haul video, but hey, that's the truth. Crafting and art supplies always make me feel super excited. These are the six colors, not necessarily new to the watercolor world, but new to Daniel Smith, I guess. I don't have the full range of colors from Daniel Smith, but looking at their photos on the website, they seem like summery, happy colors. The colors are Manganese Violet, Coral Reef, Earthy Light Red, Cobalt Green Deep, Jaune Brilliant number 1, and Jaune Brilliant number 2. By the way, jaune means yellow in French, and brilliant is same word in English, brilliant. I felt like I want to share this little fact. I don't speak French, but my husband does, and he is the one who told me when I first read Jean, I thought it was Juan, like the Spanish name, because I know some Spanish. Anyway, this is totally useless information, but hey, I had to say it. So, now let's get to the fun part, pouring the paint and watching these beautiful colors settle into their new home. Now, the moment of truth, swatching. Let's see if they match the colors shown on the website. Here is a close look at the swatches after drying. While waiting for the paints to dry, I checked my stash to see if I had similar colors. First up, I picked White Nights. I swatched 6 colors. For Cobalt Green Deep, I choose a green shadow from White Nights, and yup, it's a great match. The second color is Peach from White Nights, which matches Jaune Brilliant number 1. The third is Coral from White Nights compared to Coral Reef. I feel like Daniel Smith Coral Reef is warmer. I don't know. What do you think? For Earthy Light Red, I tried maroon from White Nights, but it is not a match. I couldn't find an equivalent for Manganese Violet, but Inca Gold from White Nights kinda of another matches for Jaune Brilliant number 1. Anyway, this was such fun experiments. Next, I checked my Holbein collection using a special edition set. First, I picked Permanent Violet, but it was no match for Manganese Violet. Then Jaune Brilliant 2, and yes, it's a match for Daniel Smith Jaune Brilliant 2. Then Holbein Brilliant Pink was not a match for Coral Reef. Lastly, I randomly picked Holbein Davis Gray, not sure why, and it was no match for Cobalt Green Deep, of course. The third competitor is Schmincke, which has such a rich range of colors. I am biased towards Schmincke because I love their paints and hopefully own most of their colors. First, I chose Vanilla, it's a special edition, and it's a match for Jaune Brilliant number 1. Next, Rose Madder did not match Coral Reef, but match White Knight's Coral. Next, we have English Venetian Red, kind of matched Earthy Light Red. I don't know, what do you think? Then we have Jaune Brilliant Dark, another match for Jaune Brilliant 1, just like the vanilla. Next, Cobalt Green Dark was close to Cobalt Green Deep. I also tried Cherry, but it was not a match. Lastly, Naples Yellow, another match for Jaune Brilliant 1. Jaune Brilliant 1 is number 1 winner here. So here are the 4 matched colors together. This video is not color edited. I did my best to show the real colors in natural sunlight. Finally, let's put these new residents in their new home. This is a very old case, which I haven't used for like 7 years or something. I don't know. Unfortunately, I lost the swatch card when I moved across the country last year, so I don't know what colors I have. If you have any idea on how to figure them out, let me know in the comments. And if you are still watching, thank you so much. Until next time, keep swatching and keep those colors dancing on paper.